Mastering idiomatic expressions. Take it on the chin. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an idiomatic expression that sounds a bit physical but carries a much broader meaning. Take it on the chin. Stay with us as we unpack this phrase, its origins, and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. Take it on the chin is an idiomatic expression that means to face adversity or a difficult situation with courage and resilience, without trying to avoid the consequences. It suggests enduring hardship, criticism, or defeat with grace, without complaint or evasion. This phrase paints a vivid picture of someone taking a direct hit, metaphorically, and still standing strong. The origin of "take it on the chin" likely comes from the world of boxing, where a fighter may literally take a hit on their chin and continue to fight despite the pain or difficulty. It has since transcended the sporting arena to become a common way to describe dealing with life's challenges head-on. To help you understand how to use this expression, let's look at some examples. 1. Despite the harsh criticism from his peers, he took it on the chin and continued to work on his project. 2. After losing her job, she took it on the chin, using the opportunity to pursue her dream career. These examples show that taking it on the chin can apply to various situations, from personal projects to life-changing events. Incorporating "take it on the chin" into your language can add a layer of nuance to your storytelling or conversations. It's a way to express resilience or the act of facing difficulties without losing your spirit. Remember, it's most appropriate in contexts where someone is dealing with challenges directly and with strength. We hope this exploration of "take it on the chin" has added a new expression to your English repertoire. This phrase is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, reminding us that sometimes, the best way to face difficulties is head-on, with courage and dignity. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to take on the challenges of learning with resilience.